Hi, Steve here. Welcome to this short video, and I'll only keep you briefly. I didn't realise until I started getting some emails on how powerful some of our staking plans are and to what extent it has changed some of our clients' ways that they bet. Now below you'll see on this humble little web page here a link to 6 of our staking plans. We've only just recently started doing staking plans in Excel. We didn't realise how many people actually used Excel, and Excel, for those people that do use it, realise how powerful a program it is. Made by Microsoft, been around for years, used to be called Microsoft Works. Now Microsoft Excel does extremely powerful calculations and allows us to do things in programming and that haven't been previously allowed in spreadsheets. But if you don't have Excel, don't turn me off, please, because 3 of the 6 software staking plans that we have are available in online software. So you don't need Excel. You can get it on your phone, you can get it on your tablet, or of course you can get it on your PC or laptop. And the 6 staking plans we're talking about is the first one we brought out, the retirement staking plan, which has been around for many years in Australia and considered by many professional punters as one of the most solid staking plans for backing. And then we also have Double Dutch 2, which was only released 2 weeks ago and has been going extremely well. Also an Excel spreadsheet, but we are, right as I speak, as I make this video, turning it into an online software, and hopefully that'll be available in the next coming weeks. Or may, by the time you watch this video, may even be available, but as I do it, it's not yet. Plus we have the Avalanche staking plan, which is a very diverse staking plan which takes our winnings and splits them in over multiple bets. So it's like having multiple legs of doubles, etc. Very powerful way of betting. Then we also have the special factor, which has been around for many years but it's finally been put into a spreadsheet and made very easy to operate. Plus we have the back 1-4, which is a reversal of lay 1-4 in a spreadsheet, which is also very, very versatile. Plus we also have Royal Routine, which first came to light in 1947, and we have now taken it into the 21st century now, and also added a special football edition to it as well. So you can get Royal Routine for horses or Royal Routine for football, and it does the correct score market in football. This is a very, very powerful way of betting. You won't have to worry about selections because the selections are done on either a tipster situation or on price. So that takes away you having to worry about how do I make selections. And of course our latest one, Double D2, which has, as I said, really hit the ball out of the park and been doing the business, and can be used for football, greyhounds and horses, of course. You know, so why do you need a staking plan, or what are staking plans? Well, if you decide to go somewhere and you go out the front door, you have mentally in your mind a process of how you're going to get there and what's going to happen when you get there. Well, punting is no different. When you start in the morning, you have your selections or whatever approach you have. Staking plan is like the GPS. It gets you to where you want to go, or at least that's what it has in its plans. It's not a scattergun approach. It is a methodical approach to get, hopefully, to a profit at the end of your punting day. So why don't you grab a cup of tea or a coffee and click on the links below and have a look at each individual product, because not all products will suit everyone. Some will really tickle your fancy and others will leave you lukewarm. But the thing is, if you've got that roadmap, if you've got that method that you can turn your punting in from just a purely entertainment, and that's all it is. If you're just betting selections haphazardly, putting a tenner on here and a fiver there, and that is entertainment. Don't try and get away from it. If you want to sort of make money so that you can go on a holiday or buy a few extra luxuries and that, then you need the GPS, the plan, the way to get you there, and that's what these 6 staking plans on this page below are designed to do, and some of them have a long history of actually doing that as well. So history's on their side. So don't grab a beer, this is too serious, we don't want to cloud your judgment. Grab a coffee or a tea, whatever your poison is, and have a read. Okay, so on behalf of Michael and myself, thanks for watching this short video, and please, as I said, go through them and have a look. There's videos and that on them to see exactly what they're all about. There's a little bit of mystery on Double Dutch 2, or DD2 as we call it. It's not a bra, it is a fantastic approach to an old way of betting with a new modern power of the Excel spreadsheet, and as I said, it will be an online software shortly, but as I do this video, it's in Excel and it is truly kicking goals. Okay, thanks again, and we hope to see you on the other side. Cheers.